Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aghna Tanveer, and I'm here speaking from the Institute Future Learning Center. I'm here after passing my OET exam from this institute. I have studied here for about 4 months. When I entered 4 months ago in this institute, I was totally unknown about what OET is. Even I was not sure that what OET stands for. And by the passage of time, I learned that OET is a test about which people think that it is a very difficult scenario which couldn't be passed easily, and people think that it's a luck that a person can pass. I just wanna clear out that it's a luck. Luck matters. We can't say in any matter that it is not luck, but above all, I think 99% it's the hard work. It's the consistency we need in our life, in every aspect of life. According to that, it's just the consistency in the OET we need. We need to just focus on the positive things, and we don't need to get distracted by the thoughts people put in us that OET is a very tough task. OET is a tough task. Every task is tough until we get involved in it. There is a quotation that if you don't get successful, it means that desire was not as much strengthful as you need to be. And above all, I want to thank the faculty of this institute. All of the faculty is just met the standards above the expectations, and even Sir Charlie, Sir Cass, Miss Aruj, they focus personally on every student. They stand above their duty times just to get facilitated, just to facilitate their students. And it's their effort that I'm here. And I want to thank my parents, my friends, and above this all, Allah Ji for this. And some of the highlighting points of this institute above the teachers, expect the teachers, are that they provide the schedules which are a guard your duty schedules. They arrange the classes which suits you. They arrange the mock test in both shifts, in morning shift, in evening shift, so that we can get the one we desire. They provide us with the headphones. That was very easy for me, that I'm not comfortable with the above ears headphones, and they provide us with that to practice, which same as are provided in the test session, in the mock test in the institute, and same are provided in the final test. That helped a lot to get practiced. In that way, the listening was very good. Their mock tests are very helpful. Even that, if you I have practiced about 16 to 17 of their mock tests, and when I was attempting the final, it was just like it's a mock test. Their mock tests are very up to standards, that the final paper doesn't mean a lot. It doesn't put stress to you when you go through their mock test. Their schedules are very up to the mark. I would likely to suggest to get, if you are interested in OET, and if you have decided to get OET done, then this is the best institute you can get. And OET is not that tough. We can do it. If I can, even any person can do it. If I can do it, of course you can do it. Thank you.